it's me Kaylee here from Cookie Kaylee, and today I have a special, different type of video. So, going outside, and we have some baby birds that just hatched. We named the mama bird Mrs. Robin, and her name is Rachel. And so let me show you guys the baby birds. Alright, so here are the baby birds. Can you see them? Yeah. You guys can see them. They're really cute. I'm from up here. So, there they are in here. They look like they're sleeping, I think.
I actually saw it speak to them.
Yeah, I know. Here they are. Trying to make some noise, but here they are. They're so cute. And they're not that cute yet, but they'll be so cute soon. Look at them. Oh. So yes, there are 3 baby birds. I saw them with their heads up. You might have saw them in the video. But there they are. Oh god. Oh my god. You see them moving here? They're growing their fur.
They're gonna fly up.
Eventually.
Tiny space.
They have a big enough. I don't know where Mama Bird went. I think she got a little frightened. Yeah.
I saw them.
Those are our new baby birds. This is a little tour of my backyard. So yeah. Oh, let me show you something extremely scary. Ready? See this? It moves like crazy. Not nailed on there, it's only nailed on the side, like right here. Yeah, that's a very unsafe deck side. And this railing, my dad ran over. God. My dad ran over this with a lawnmower. Yeah. I hope y'all like this video. I know it was short, but I just wanted to show you my baby birds that we have in my yard. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.